Hello, my name is Anthony. Today I'm going to show you how to install your new Memento smart frame by using the flat power cable kit, which is sold separately. As you will see, this kit, which includes a self-adhesive flat power cable that is as thin as a piece of paper, allows you to discreetly install your frame in any decor. Let's start. Inside the flat power cable kit, you will find one 15-foot ultra-thin flat power cable, one 40-inch 24-volt power cord, two flat wire connectors, one 9-degree angle bracket in two parts, two 1 1/4-inch drywall Phillips screws, two 1/8 flathead screws, and one spatula. Once you have determined where you want to install your Memento frame and that you have screwed in the wall mount, take a connector and open the front panel. Remove the protective paper at the tip of the flat cable and insert it into the connector's slot. Make sure that the cable's adhesive side does not face the panel. The cable must be fully inserted to the marks as indicated. Now, using the two flathead screws, screw the connectors on the wall mount. Firmly close the panel. Let the cable hang to see where it precisely falls. This will help you to determine where the 9-degree angle bracket should be placed. Using the measuring tape, determine where the angle bracket should be installed, directly under the wall mount at the same height as the electrical outlet. When you have found the right position, remove the paper that protects the adhesive side of the bracket and firmly stick it to the wall. Slowly remove the protective paper from the adhesive side of the flat cable and stick it to the wall using the spatula. Perform this movement in a downward fashion. Make sure you press the flat cable smoothly against the wall to avoid wrinkles or air bubbles. Stick the flat cable against the wall until you reach the lower part of the angle bracket. Once there, continue to stick the flat cable against the wall by moving it toward the electrical outlet. You can go either left or right depending on where your electrical outlet is. Once the flat cable reaches 1 inch of the electrical outlet, cut the cable using a standard pair of scissors. Take the other connector and insert the other tip of the cable into it. Proceed as you did with the first connector. Using the two 1 1/4-inch Phillips screws, screw the connector into the wall. Close the panel. You can now, if you like, paint the cable the same color as the wall so that it's almost entirely invisible. Place the lid on the cover plate of the 90-degree angle bracket by pressing firmly. Now, take the 40-inch 24-volt power cord. Plug it into the connector that is screwed into the wall mount. Plug the other tip at the back of the frame. Hang your Memento frame on the wall. All you have to do is press the frame against the wall and slide it so that the wall mount is inserted in the slot at the back of the frame. If you have a 35-inch frame, you can ask a friend to help. From the 4 adapters that have been supplied, use the one that is appropriate for the electrical outlet in your country. Plug it into the power supply. Then plug the power supply cable in the connector that is installed on the wall near the electrical outlet. Then plug the power supply into your electrical outlet. And that's it. You are now ready to configure your Memento smart frame.